Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently using the Cornell Notes method. This powerful technique helps you organize your thoughts and retain information more effectively. We will cover setting up your page, taking detailed notes, and the crucial steps of reviewing and summarizing. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your study habits and academic performance. This guide will help you master this proven note-taking system. To begin, prepare your page by drawing lines to create 3 distinct areas. The largest area, about 70% of the page, is for your main notes. On the left, create a narrower column, roughly 30% of the width, for cues or questions. Finally, leave a space of about 2 inches at the bottom for your summary. This structure is fundamental to the method's effectiveness. While listening to a lecture or reading, write your primary notes in the large right-hand section. Concentrate on capturing the main points, key facts, and supporting details. Use bullet points, abbreviations, and symbols to make your note-taking efficient. Do not worry about perfect sentences. Focus on getting the information down clearly. This section is your raw data. The real power of Cornell Notes comes from review. Soon after taking notes, formulate questions or keywords in the left cues column. Then, cover your main notes and try to answer using only the cues. Finally, write a brief, comprehensive summary of the entire page in the bottom section. This active recall and summarization process significantly boosts your understanding and retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.